Hello TL Travelers, and welcome to or welcome back to the TL Travel YouTube channel. If you are new here, welcome to the family. I am so excited to share with you what we have got going on right now. So it has been a minute since we have been out on the road and exploring, and that is why I am so excited to be hitting the road right now and traveling through Southern Alberta with CanaDream RVs. So I don't want to give away too much about the destinations that we plan on exploring over the next few weeks, but what I do want to say is that our plan is to check out some locations that not everybody thinks of immediately when they think of Alberta, some hidden gems, if you will. But before I do that, I want to make sure that I show you guys around this beautiful RV and give you guys an idea of what we're going to be exploring from. So if you love road trip content and you are excited to see what we get up to, be sure to hit that like and subscribe button. And yeah, let me just show you around. So being new to the RV life, we decided that we were going to go exploring in CanaDream's Maxi truck RV. This RV absolutely is the perfect way to enjoy like luxury on four wheels. Every convenience can be found here, from the bathroom and the mini fridge. We've got a stove, sink, and dinette area. And then of course we have a sleeping area right here over the cab of the truck. Honestly, given the size of the RV itself, I was rather surprised to see just how much space we would have to move around and enjoy our time inside the camper anytime that we aren't out exploring outside the camper. One of the absolute best things about this truck camper, aside from obviously all of the creature comforts that you get when you book it, is just the sheer like convenience and like how comfortable it is to drive around. So for two travelers who don't partake in the RV life quite so much, I'm not gonna lie, we were a little bit intimidated at the idea of picking up an RV and driving it all the way through Southern Alberta and taking it and parking it in the national parks and all of those things. So with this truck camper, you are getting all of this space to live indoors and eat and dine and sleep, but at the same time, you are not in a vehicle that is all that much larger than just a regular sized truck. All of the features aside though, obviously the best part of RV travel for us, and the part that we are most excited about, is just the idea that we can bring our space with us everywhere that we go and have absolute control over where we stay, where we sleep, and where we adventure. Because there's absolutely no better feeling than waking up in a spot just like this. That's going to be it for me for today and this short video tour of the RV that we are going to be exploring Southern Alberta with. If you are interested in seeing more, be sure to hit that like and subscribe button. And if you have any questions about our experiences with CanaDream, feel free to leave them in the comments down below. I would be happy to answer any and all questions that you have. In our next video, we are going to be heading to the far, far south to Waterton Lakes National Park, and I cannot wait to explore and share that with you. So until I see you guys then, stay great, travel safe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.